Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make money online by playing games on your phone. So I'll be showing you 7 apps that are legit that will pay you money to simply go onto them and play games. If this sounds good to you, be sure to stick around until the end as I'll be going through each one. The first one that we'll be looking at is clipclaps.com. And ClipClaps is an app that you can download on both your Android and iOS device, as you can see right here. And you'll be able to go on it, and from there you can start playing games, and you can also watch videos and make money. So you can go and play games and you'll be getting points, and you can convert the points to cash so you can withdraw via PayPal. Their withdrawal limit is $15. And you can also get crypto token also. If you would like to get paid via crypto token and not via PayPal, you can do that on ClipClaps app. The other app that we'll be looking at is Cointiply. And Cointiply is a good app to go on if you want to earn free crypto token, or better yet, free Bitcoin. As all you'll have to do is simply download the app, and from there you'll simply go onto it and play some games, and then you can convert the points to Bitcoin and can do your withdrawal. And it, by the way, it's a highly rated app, as you can see right here on Trustpilot. It has a ratings of 4.7, and more than likely it's available to everyone worldwide. And you can simply sign up and start earning. As you can see here, you can also watch videos to get paid, and you can also use the Cointiply app to do some online shopping if you would want to. The third app on our list is AppKarma. And with AppKarma, you simply go on it and you can start playing games, and then you can convert the points to PayPal cash, or you can convert it to Amazon gift card, or if you would like to get paid via Google Play gift card, you can also do that. This is a good app to go on to play games to earn some money. While it does take a while before you can see a significant amount, you can definitely give it a try in your free time. And the other app that I would recommend that you give a try is Swagbucks. But the thing about Swagbucks is, while it is available worldwide, for the games and a lot of the features that make majority of the money on Swagbucks, you will have to live in the United States, Canada, or the United Kingdom, or for example Australia, to really maximize your earning. But you can still try depending on where you're living and see if you're still able to make some money using Swagbucks. And the other app that I would recommend that you give a try is Playtest Cloud. And with Playtest Cloud, you can download it on both your Android and iOS device again, and you'll be getting paid to simply play games. So you will be one of the first individuals to play a certain mobile game. So once the creator releases their mobile game, they want persons to give it a test run to see if it is running smoothly or so on. And you will simply play the game and then give your feedback, and that's it. You'll be getting paid to play the game and then share your opinion. The other app that we'll be looking at, while it is not a gaming app, it is still an app that I would recommend that you give a try to earn some money while in your free time. And the app is happysurveys. You can download the happysurveys app on your Android or your iPhone, as you can see right here, and you'll be given surveys to do and you'll be getting paid. But the surveys, again, it all depends on the country that you're living in. So if you're living in the United States or the United Kingdom, you'll be able to earn probably $15 by doing a survey. Meanwhile, if you're living in the Caribbean like myself here, you can still get surveys, but you won't get surveys paying this much. And as you can see here, they have a variety of surveys, and the prices vary, again, as I said, depending on the country you're living in. But it has some of the highest paying surveys around. And the other app that we'll be looking at is cashem-all. And with cashem-all, you'll be able to play your favorite games for example solitaire or other games. And again, you can download it on both mobile devices, whether an Android or an iPhone. You'll be able to play games, collect tokens, and then afterward you can convert those coins into PayPal money, or you can get Amazon gift cards or Google Play Store vouchers, or you can see here Netflix vouchers or Spotify voucher if you want. So this is definitely a legit app that you can try to start making some money online. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.